Hi, my name is Guy. I'm from xcard.com. Hi, how are you? Just want to say that are you having an awesome day today? If you are, that is great because I got something even better to show you. What I want to tell you is that you get paid when you finish the course. How awesome is that? Nobody will pay you in anything that you do. Right, this is OLSP's live update, which only went out these couple of days really. So OLSP stand for One Lead System Pixel, which is absolutely awesome. We have over 75,000 people in this group. That today is that you can start earning money when you finish the course with OLSP. How awesome is that? So now we go down to the boot camp. This is where you got to start off with. When you go into the system, you follow all the instructions. It's very easy to do. We made it so easy that anyone can do it. So if you want, like I said, you earn money just by going through the course. It's unheard of. So that's what you need to do. Go through the boot camp and learn. And then these are the videos that you go through. It doesn't take long. All these videos like 10-15 minutes, not long at all. Some of them so easily. You just watch and you learn and then you get paid. How awesome is that? And then we got this is my dashboard, which I got levels up and all that. So you just see how well you are improving and all that, and then see if we can help you. So at the moment I'm on ultimate level, which is okay, it's not bad. But the highest one at the moment is Batman level, which is 10,000 points. So therefore you will start from the bottom and you work your way all to the top. And when you do that, when you reach up to my level, you will start seeing your commission lift off. Well, not just from here, from the beginning, like I said, you get paid straight away. That is how awesome. There's no other place out there that is so transparent as OLSP. This is what I had earned before, and these are the ones that this is your back office anyway. But at the moment, your back office will not look like this. Your back office would be just like boot camp, and then go through all the training and all the systems and all the questions what you need to answer to start earning that commission that you sign up for. So yeah, and then inside OLSP, you have so many training units. You can ask loads of questions if you want to. Like I said, there's so many people inside this group that can help you. Once you join the group, you ask a question, you get the answer straight away. That's how quick it is. Yep, like I said, to complete the course, you earn $20. All you have to do is complete the course and you earn $20. You tell me what other system out there will pay you money to earn? Nowhere, is it? No. This is a glimpse of what's inside our company, OLSP, which is Traffic Domination. You got free IP. Well, yeah, free IP. This is unbelievable. You get so much value in this. Is unreal. But at the moment, like I said, I don't want to talk about this too much because you need to go through the boot camp to see for yourself. You will get a glimpse of all this inside. But the main thing is this one. It's traffic domination pages, which you just add your mega link and all you need is like an autoresponder, and then you're good to go, and they will do the rest for you. It's that easy. They'll sort everything out for you. So they made it so simplicity that you can't go wrong. Okay. Yeah. Also, inside OSP, there's comment domination. Comment domination is when you inside Facebook and you comment on people posts. That is a blue tick, and you get loads of like engagement on your post as well. And also here they have a pay version. When you go into that one and you comment on the pay version, and you get paid as well. I think you get paid like monthly for that one, which is quite awesome. There's no other places out there that you would get paid just for commenting on a post. That's not bad, is it? Well, yeah, like I said, comment on the post and you get paid. Can't be bad at all. So, well, basically that is enough to take in, because what we want you to do now is, yeah, go through the boot camp and learn. Learn, reward yourself, get paid for it. That's all you need to do. How simple is that? And all you need to do is, yeah, go onto my link here and then join the group, and then go through the boot camp, and then everything will make sense for you. Okay, you will start earning money just like that because you went through the course. It doesn't take long at all. So I wish you all the best and luck. So get out there and work on it. Okay.